Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power delivery. Plug the original charger into a known good outlet. Once done, inspect the cable and phone port under good light for lint or bent pins. Remove debris with a soft brush. Make sure the charger brick is warm after a few minutes. If not, swap to a high-quality replacement. You do this first because many charging failures are cable or outlet issues, and fixing them eliminates unnecessary teardown or component replacement. Next, you perform a force restart to clear temporary faults. Hold power and volume for 10 to 20 seconds until the logo appears. Once the phone reboots, boot into safe mode to see if third-party apps prevent charging. This isolates software from hardware causes. Then open battery usage in settings and scan for apps showing extreme drain. Make note of any. If charging resumes in safe mode, uninstall or update the offending apps because software conflicts often block proper charging. Finally, you check the battery and connectors. Feel the phone for unusual heat or bulging. If present, power down and stop charging immediately because a swollen cell is dangerous. Use compressed air or a soft brush to clean the port. If pins are damaged or the phone repeatedly fails to charge, the battery or charging port likely needs replacement. If none of these steps work, take the device to an authorized service center. Troubleshooting tip: document behaviors and tests to speed up professional diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.